Curriculum development and instructional design are the spinal cord of educational effectiveness. They serve as the structural and philosophical blueprints upon which teaching practices and learning experiences are constructed. A well-designed curriculum, infused with evidence-based instructional strategies, serves to bridge learning objectives, your needs, instructional methods, and assessment tools. This module offers a holistic and scholarly exploration of curriculum theories, models of development, instructional design frameworks, planning techniques, pedagogical strategies, implementation challenges, and real-life classroom adaptations. It integrates learning theories into the design process and encourages educators to become intentional architects of educational experiences. 5.1 definition of curriculum. Curriculum is more than a syllabus or course outline. It refers to the entire planned learning experience encompassing content, pedagogy, materials, assessment, learning environment, and learner interaction. There are various definitions, such as Ralph Tyler, all learning experiences planned and directed by the school to attain its educational goals. Curriculum design is grounded in educational philosophies and learning theories. Theoretical foundations influence content selection, instructional methodology, assessment types, teacher-learner roles. 5.3 stages of curriculum development. A widely accepted framework for curriculum development involves the following sequential stages. Stage 1, needs assessment, identifying your gaps, societal demands, and job market trends. Gathering data through surveys, interviews, assessments. Stage 2, defining aims, goals, and objectives. Aims, broad and philosophical statements of intent goals, specific targets within a discipline. Objectives, measurable, observable outcomes, often written using Bloom's taxonomy. Stage 3, content selection and organization. Must be valid, significant, relevant, learnable, and aligned with objectives organized through chronological, thematic, or spiral structures. Stage 4, instructional strategy design, matching methods to learning objectives, lecture, discussion, simulation, project, adopting differentiated instruction to meet diverse your needs. Stage 5, curriculum implementation. Involves teacher preparation, resource allocation, classroom management. Requires flexibility and ongoing support. Stage 6, curriculum evaluation, formative evaluation, continuous improvement during instruction. Summative evaluation, final judgment of effectiveness. Tools include exams, feedback surveys, peer reviews, and performance rubrics. 5.4 instructional design, frameworks and models. Instructional design ID focuses on how to effectively deliver curriculum content. The aim is to optimize the teaching-learning interaction by aligning methods, media, environment, and individual characteristics. Common instructional design models. ADDIE model, most popular. Analyze. Understand learners and goals. Design. Create learning plans, strategies, develop, produce learning materials, implement, deliver instruction, evaluate, assess effectiveness. Dick and Carey model emphasizes systematic design with feedback loops and performance objectives. Gagne's 9 events of instruction. Gain attention, inform you of objectives, stimulate recall of prior learning, present content, provide learning guidance, elicit performance, provide feedback, assess performance, enhance retention and transfer, instructional strategies, differentiated instruction for varied learning styles, scaffolding to gradually remove support, blended learning using face-to-face plus online, universal design for learning, UDL for accessibility. 5.2 philosophical and theoretical bases of curriculum development. Curriculum design is grounded in educational philosophies and learning theories. Theoretical foundations influence. Content selection. Instructional methodology. Assessment. Types. Teacher-learner roles. The constructivist paradigm heavily influences modern curriculum, emphasizing learner agency, active participation, and contextual learning. Read the document in the screen. The constructivist paradigm heavily influences modern curriculum, emphasizing learner agency, active participation, and contextual learning. 5.5 Integrating Learning Theories into Curriculum Design. Read these document on the screen. An effective curriculum synthesizes multiple theories based on context, resources, and your needs. 5.6 Challenges in Curriculum Development. Rapid technology changes cultural diversity, inadequate training and support for teachers, resistance to curriculum reforms, equity and inclusion issues. Solution: engage stakeholders, preceptor, policymakers, ensure flexible design, implement feedback systems. Summary curriculum development and instructional design are intentional, evidence-driven, and learner-focused. They require educators to blend pedagogy, psychology, philosophy, sociology, and technology to design meaningful learning experiences. Effective instructional designers and curriculum developers must be adaptive thinkers, collaborative planners, and reflective practitioners. I look forward to congratulating you upon the completion of this course.